We get ready to leave with this song. Says sometimes we got to do things the old time way. I ain't got my key yet. Sometimes we got to do things the old time way. Are y'all ready? Can we do it? Come on, y'all. Can we do it over here?